Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 20. Our learning goal for today says, I can count objects to 7 by finding a path. Ooh, I love to be organized. So today we're going to take all those objects that fall all over the place and we're going to use some of our good strategies or plans to keep us organized when we're counting. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to get out those beans, even though they don't really cooperate very much. And there they are. Okay, as you can see, they're scattered all over my desk. So who remembers, when they're all scattered in a big mess like that, what's one way I could plan out to count them? Oh, who was the smarty that said dot to dots? Yeah, when they're all over the place like that, I can start at one and I can draw a line to connect the dots to keep myself organized. Okay, so what number are we counting to today, friends? Yes, 7. Here we go. Let's start up at this bean and we're going to draw a line to connect them as we count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I done? No, I'm not to 7. And also I'm not done because I haven't drawn another line, right? See? Making our good lines and our dot to dot strategy is helpful to keep us organized. Okay, so let's recount those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, someone check me. Did I count all of the beans? Yes, I did. I know that because I drew a line connecting them all, so I made sure I didn't forget any. Oh, good idea. I like the path that we came up with too. It was all over the place. It was kind of, we started at the top and we worked our way down in like a zigzag. Friends, if you were counting the beans, would you have to go in the exact same path that I did? No, you could have gone down this way and back up. You could have started at the bottom. It doesn't really matter as long as you connect all of the beans, right? There is one thing though. It would be really confusing if I started up here and then went down here and then all the way around. If I kind of come up with an idea for my path first, then that's pretty helpful. Like I like to start at the top and work my way down to the bottom. Maybe you like to start at the bottom and work your way to the top. Whatever it is, think about your path before you start counting, okay? All right, let's try another one. Let's see, beans. Oh, well, these are looking nice. Hey, they kind of look like a circle. Is there another strategy we can use to count those beans? We could do the dot to dot, or what did we talk about before? Yes, thank you, the marker. Yeah, we could draw a line, and then after we draw the line, what do? We start right after the line and count until we get to 7. All right, I'm going to go ahead and tap on them. As I do, we'll count to 7. When I get to 7, you yell stop, okay? Remember, I'm an old lady, so please yell it for me. Here we go. 1, well, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you are loud, friends. Thank you. Yeah, 7. Good job. All right. So we actually used all the beans because there's 7 there and we counted them. I'm glad we had that marker there to keep us organized, knowing that we've already gone past that. Okay, so we can come up with a path in different ways, depending on if they're scattered all around or if they're going to be in a circle. We have different options, right? Oh, I love math because you can solve things in different ways. All right, let's see. What would you do? I have some beans here. I've set them all out. We need to count to 7. Remember, I said it's helpful if you think about your path before you start going. So what I'm going to do is I want you to press pause. I want you to talk with your neighbor and tell them how would you make your path. All right? Press pause while you talk about it for a minute. Okay, did you give your neighbor a chance to share too? Press pause if you didn't. They need to talk. Okay, friends, were your paths the same way? Did you guys both have the same plan? Oh, you did. Oh, you didn't. Oh, yeah, it just depends. All right, so this is what Miss Arwood did. This is how I did my path. I'm going to start over there and I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, I said I like to start at the top and go all the way to the bottom. I decided to make a big Z with mine. Maybe you went this way and you made kind of like a little box type of a thing. I don't know what you did. As long as you would plan on touching them all and counting to 7 and then stopping, it's a good strategy. Who, raise your hand, who had the exact same path that I did? Oh, excellent. All right, I'm so excited that you're so good at making those paths because our learning goal for today said, I can count objects to 7 by finding a path. And remember, not all of our paths are the same, and that's okay. As long as we have a good plan going in, we'll do a nice job. Okay, so here's your exit ticket, friends. Here are some beans. What I would like you to do is I want you to make a video and tell me what your plan would be for solving and counting to 7, okay? I just want to know your plan. How are you going to count to 7? And maybe tell me, show me with your finger maybe what you would do, okay? All right, good luck, friends.